This is how we at Everyworks Singapore perform the composite decking installation process. Step 1. Remove the existing decking. Our team will remove all existing decking to ensure a smooth and quality finish for the new composite decking. Step 2. Install the aluminum support. Install the aluminum support thoroughly to ensure a strong, stable, and durable frame of the composite decking. Step 3. Installation of composite decking. In this step, our team will install the composite decking carefully to complete the surface of the deck. This step is essential for achieving a beautiful, durable, and low-maintenance outdoor space. Check out the difference before and after our composite decking installation. Looking for good quality composite decking installation services in Singapore? WhatsApp us now at 82410032.